recently bought a MacBook Pro or a new laptop and you just realized that you don't have enough USB-C ports? Now you can solve this problem using a USB-C Hub. Today I bring you the Vankyo 8-in-1 USB-C Hub. Hi guys, this is Mike and welcome back to another video. What makes Vankyo 8-in-1 USB-C Hub better than other USB-C Hubs? First, Vankyo 8-in-1 USB-C Hub comes with one USB-C port, 3 USB-C 3.0 ports, an HDMI port, a gigabit LAN port and 2 ports for SD and microSD cards. One thing I need to mention is that the SD card is quite shallow, but this does not affect how to read the card. On the other hand, the microSD card is complete opposite. The card goes fully enter to the reader. The USB-C Hub has impressed me. His body is made entirely of aluminum and offers high performance. The USB-C port has an output of 60 watts, which is enough to power your laptop. You can use this port to power your laptop, but you cannot use it to send any data to your laptop. Vankyo 8-in-1 USB-C Hub it also benefits of 3 USB 3.0 ports that have a maximum transfer rate of 5 gigabits. The HDMI port supports up to 4K videos transfer rate and his LAN port does not require any software to use it. On this USB-C Hub you will find also 2 SD ports, one for SD card and another for microSD card. After I used this hub for a long time to see how he performs, I can say that it does a great job. I've managed to connect an external SD card and a microSD card, a USB stick, a USB cable to DSLR camera, an HDMI to my TV and my smartphone to the USB-C port, and its performance is absolutely amazing. When the hub is used pass-through power, I was surprised to see that it does not overheat at all, which is a great feature in my opinion. As about the performance, I've been able to write and read data from the SD cards at maximum speed and receive transfer rates up to 150 megabytes per second without any problem. I've streamed a lot of 4K videos with this USB-C Hub, and while I used a lot, I did not see any delay. As a conclusion guys, I can say that Vankyo USB-C Hub provides top performance, excellent quality and all that for an affordable price. You can buy it from Amazon and its price is about £39. Well guys, that is all for today. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Well, till the next time, see you guys. Bye bye.